back to what used to be home. Passing by those little towns I know so well. Stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving is like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. The neon lights in the fast lane light.
Hi everyone, I hope everyone is having a great day today. It's beautiful here today in Georgia, but it's really cold. It's about 26 degrees this morning. But me and Calvin is going to have a good breakfast meal today. We're going to have tater tot breakfast casserole. And I think this is going to be a real good little casserole to start the new year off right. What do you say, Calvin?
I'm with you, Marie.
So here are the ingredients in it. Sausage, onion, bell pepper, eggs, there's 8 in my bowl, a half a cup of milk, salt and black pepper, cheese, and potato tots. And I bet everybody just about has all these ingredients in their pantry. So it's, like I said, a real easy casserole. So let me get started on it and let's get this meal going.
Reaching for the sky, I had it all but lost and fell back down again. Spent my time playing the game where every single day was a losing battle and every drink was a dead end. Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I've lost my soul.
Okay, I have a pound of sausage in my pan and I'm going to brown this. And then also over here I have a bell pepper and a onion, and this is a large onion that I have that I'm adding to my pan. If you don't like a lot of onion, you can adjust that to how much you want. Or if you don't even want it, you don't even have to put it in. Also, I'm putting in some bell pepper. This is just about a half of a bell pepper. And so I'm going to brown all this. I noticed that a lot of the country has gotten snow, but as usual, Georgia didn't get maybe a half an inch, if just a little bit of dusting on top of the roofs. But it's really cold here today. But I know that like 26, it's warm to a lot of y'all. But it's really cold to us. This casserole comes together real fast. Alright, my sausage and onion and bell pepper have cooked now, and so I'm going to put it in my pan. all these onions and peppers really are smelling good. Okay, so now I'm going to put some cheese on it, about a cup. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is sprinkle a layer of tater tots on. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my bowl down here and put my half cup of milk in. I'm going to stir this up. Okay. So now then I'm going to put a little salt and pepper in it. You can put how much you want in it. I'll put about a half a teaspoon in. Just put a dash of pepper in it. Stir all this up. Okay, now then I'm going to take this egg mixture and pour it over my casserole. I'm going to put my casserole dish in the oven and let it cook for 30 minutes. And then when it cooks, I'll come back and put my cheese on it and let it cook for 10 more minutes. Okay, my casserole is done now, and so I'm going to let it cool for about 15 minutes before I serve it. And it smells really good. Looks delicious. My tater tot breakfast casserole is done now, and so it's been cooling for about 15 minutes. So now we're going to do the taste test. And it really smells delicious. And this is going to make a great brunch for Calvin and me today. And it's got potato tots in it, sausage and peppers and onions. So what could not taste good about that? And also it's got eggs. So now I'm going to do my favorite part, the taste test. That is delicious. Calvin, would you like to do the taste test also?
Yes, ma'am, I think I will.
Okay.
I like that, Marie.
I don't know, 1 to 5, what do you give it? What do you rate it?
I definitely give that one 5 stars. I can taste the peppers and onions in, and the eggs and sausage. It's really flavorful. I like it, Marie. You did a great job.
Thank you, Calvin. So I guess then we'll close this video out. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.